Simple garlic salt and pepper spare ribs recipe. So delicious you'll lick your fingers. Prepare minced garlic, add a little water, and let it sit for 5 minutes. Pork spare ribs, add rice wine, ginger and green onions, ground pepper, salt and pepper powder, sugar, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Pour in the garlic water. Mix well, make sure to squeeze out the juices from the ginger and green onions, then remove them. Next, add 1 egg yolk, 1.5 tablespoons of potato starch, and cooking oil. Mix again until well coated, then marinate for 30 minutes. Heat oil in a pan to 170 degrees Celsius. Add the spare ribs one by one. Let them set before turning. Fry over medium-low heat for about 8 minutes until golden on the surface. Finally, turn up the heat to high and fry for 1 minute, then remove and drain excess oil. In the same pot, leave a little oil. Salt minced garlic, onions, and red chili peppers until fragrant. Add the fried spare ribs, stir fry quickly to coat evenly, then serve. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, with a rich garlic flavor, it's truly irresistible.